Hi, I'm Wonkster1970 and today I'm going to be installing this Wompus luggage rack on my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300 Tourer. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is removing the saddlebags, and these are a 4mm. Lift this up out of the way. Move this out of the way. These are a 5mm. I'm going to remove one. I'm going to be putting a shipping blanket over here, over the fender, so I don't scratch it up. Now, this should go in here. I got some blue Loctite on here. I'm going to slide that in. Get that one started. And that is a 13mm. Go to the other side and do that one. Okay, same thing with this one. Started. Now I've got that started, I'm going to remove the front one on both sides. Get that started. Holes at. That's close. There we go. Let's get them snugged up. We'll set these at 20 foot-pounds. Go to the other side. Move this out of my way. Don't lose anything. Putting this back in there. Okay, let's go to the other side. I'm going to slide this back down in here. Hopefully none of the bushings fall off. There we go. Last thing I'm going to be doing is removing this protective film. Well, here is the Wompus rack installed on the 2007 Vstar 1300 Tourer. See right here is the bolts. That's not rust, that's dirt off my socket. Bolts torqued down. Saddlebags are reinstalled. And next I will be working on getting the trunk installed on here. That should do it. That'll do it for installing the Wompus rack on my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.